Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the like operator in structured query language. The like operator is used with the where clause to search for a specific pattern, and the like operator is often used with the wildcards. Like an example, we can use the %, which represents 0, 1 or multiple character, and also we can use the underscore, which represents one single character. And the syntax for the like operator is we write select, then the name of the column from the table name, and then we have the where clause, and after that we have the column name, and then we have used the like operator followed by the pattern. So the condition will be true if the value of the name column matches with the pattern. Like an example, we have the employee table, and inside the employee table we have record for all the employee. Now we can write the query with one pattern, and we can search for one specific value from that table. So we can write the query select the column name from the employee table, where the condition is if the value of the column name matches with that pattern, and the pattern a percentage refer to all the name which is started with the character A, and the name can end with any number of character. And also we can write the pattern %A. This pattern refers to all the name which is ended with the character A, and the name can start with any character. And the pattern %A% refers to all the name which is contained at least one character A, and the name can start with any number of character and can end with any number of character. And also we can write the pattern _A%. This pattern refers to all the name which is at least 2 characters length, and the name can end with any number of character. And also we can write the pattern A_%. This pattern will refer to all the name which is started with the character A, and the name is at least 3 character long, and the name can end with any number of character. And also we can write the pattern B%B. This pattern refers to all the name which is started with the character B and ended with the character B, and in between we can have any number of character. And also we can use not with the like operator. So this query will return all the name which does not match this pattern. So this is the way we can use pattern, and we can search for one specific value from the table. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.